Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Magic Tech. Today we are doing the speedometer. So what is a speedometer? Why we are using speedometer in Excel? Okay, this is very important. The speedometer and very useful if you are using the dashboard and you want to present the data related to your targets, related to KPI. Then we are using the speedometer. A speedometer with a needle which tell you the number of pointing it out on gauge that the needle moves when there is a change in the data. It's a single point chart which help you to track the single data against its target. Okay. So let's say example in the Excel, then you can easily understand what is the speedometer. See here, this is my speedometer. Okay. So this is all the steps how to create the speedometer. Okay. So if I change the value from the here, okay, let's suppose I'm putting the value 50. Now see here my gauge is moving on 50. If I press 0 moving, and then if I press 90, it's moving to 90. Okay. So creating the speedometer is very easy. Okay. So this is all the steps how to create the speedometer. You need to create it and you can present it on the dashboard, and it's very useful and very interactive whenever you're using the speedometer. Okay. So let's go to the sheet 2. Okay, now I'm creating one by one step. I'm creating the speedometer. First we need to create this data here. Okay, so for creating the speedometer, first what we need the data for the speed. Okay, so first we need the gauge ranges. Okay, my start point is 0, my red is 15, then my yellow path we have 45, and the green is 40. Okay, and the and will be always be at 200. Oh, sorry, is a 100. For the and always be a 100. It's mandatory. Okay, so this is my ranges. Next, what we want here gauge. Okay, I'm adding the gauge here. Gauge means your pointer, your speedometer pointer. This one, it's available in the sheet 1. Now see here, this is my speedometer is 50 is floating. If I change it, my speed needle will be changed. If I change from here, okay. Now see here, okay. Same we are doing in the here. Okay, I'm going to the sheet 2. Now my gauge, first my value for changing the speedometer. Okay, I'm putting 50. Then pointer will be 20 again, and the and is always this is a formula. You need to apply formula here. 200 minus this value plus pointer. Okay, this is your pointer. Okay, so now my gauge and my ranges are the ready. Okay, what we need here, we need to create here the speedometer. Okay, okay, so I'm putting speedometer here. So this is a formula text function to see what is the formula in the particular cell. Okay, okay. Now we need to create here the gauge and the speedometer. So speedometer we are creating with the help of the pie chart. Sorry, donut chart. In the chart we have the donut chart. Okay, so how to create your donut chart? You need to select the first value. I selected the value, then go to the insert, then the 2013 Excel is the chart section is different one. Then we have the donut one. Now see here, your donut chart is created. Okay, so these all steps are mentioned to sheet 1 whenever I will add it into the description. Okay, so now see here, my gauges, my ranges are ready. Okay, we need to more doing some formatting here. So I'm doing the formatting. I'm going to format plot area. Then go to the series option. In the series option, you need to angle first slicer into 270. Total is 360. Okay, I'm putting it into 270. Now see here, your this part is the above one. Okay, that means your gauge is ready. Okay, and go to the fill. Select this below part and go to the fill and no fill. Okay, now see here, your upper part is ready. Okay, next what we need here, we need only the gauge, only the pointer here. Okay, so we need the pointer, so we need to select the chart. Okay, the chart, we are adding one more chart here for the gauge. Okay, I'm selecting the add, I'm selecting this one. Sorry, this is the series name. I'm selecting the values, series value. Okay, need to select this value. Okay, now see here your chart is added. Okay, now what you need here, you need to change the chart type. Okay, change the chart type. So second chart is I need the phi 1. Okay, second chart is changed to the phi 1 and I need this secondary axis. Okay, this is the secondary axis. That okay. Now see here, your chart is ready. Now we need to do with this. We need to go to the series option and we need to change it to 270. Okay. Now your chart is changes from 270 degree. Okay. Now one by one, same whatever we have done in the previous one, we need to go to the no fill and we are going to no fill the all these solid, all the pie chart data. Okay. Now see here, your gauge and your chart is ready. Okay. Now if you change here value, now see here your pointer will be changing. Okay. We need to give the pointer value to 2. 2 is not visible, 2 is visible. Okay. Now see here, your pointer is on 80. If I change it to the 50, your pointer is changing on the 50. Okay. So we need to add here. We need to add here the data label. Okay. I'm adding the data label of this one. Select data label. My data label is added. Now it's showing the 2. We need to, because it's showing the by default pointer value. Okay, we didn't need the pointer value, we need the gauge value. Okay, so I'm write equal sign. Then first you need to select this pointer, then go to the formula bar and select the value. Okay, now see here your pointer value changed. If you put here 70, your data is changed on 70. Also your pointer value will be 70. Okay. So this is how to create the speedometer. It's very easy to create a speedometer and very useful because for creating the dashboard, it's very effective. Okay. Everyone see and they will be you are showing the speedometer to him. It's very interactive and very useful for showing the KPI and for the audiences. Okay. So now I created all these steps here. You don't need to worry. Okay, all these steps are here. I will add this file into description. You can download this file and you can do the practice. All these steps also mentioned here. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel, Sharma Ji Ka Gan. Thank you.